Introducing the CAT CT680, purpose-built for heavy-duty applications, combining the best of rugged durability and shift-long comfort. Before we put any designs on paper, we asked customers to describe the ideal next-generation truck. Everything from specs and comfort to visibility and performance. And what we heard inspired the CT680. This set-forward axle truck comes as a truck or tractor, with a lighter weight aluminum alloy cab to maximize your payloads. You can add a dual external air cleaner, and with 2 trim levels available, you can choose the features that best fit your budget, style, and service needs. The L trim has a 3-piece Meton hood, 3-piece chrome bumper, and composite halogen headlights. The LG trim features a 1-piece fiberglass hood, 3-piece black bumper, and sealed beam halogen headlights. Whichever option you choose, you'll get the same wide, spacious cab with an ergonomic dash and center stack, combined standard and convex mirrors, premium sound insulation that eliminates buzz, squeak, and rattle, plenty of storage and lighting, and multiple driver's seat options for all-day comfort, safety, and productivity. When it comes to serviceability, the modular design of the CT680 makes it quick and easy to replace damaged components, cost-effectively and without any special tools. And when your CT680 needs parts or maintenance, you can count on the industry's best support team. Your CAT dealer offers bumper-to-bumper service, fast parts availability, financing and insurance, and custom maintenance plans. Plus, your dealer has the expertise to help you custom build a truck to your exact specifications. You deserve a vocational truck as heavy-duty as your application. We're built to meet that challenge. Talk to your CAT dealer today about putting the CT680 to work for you.